Today I will tell you about our offline project Sybil. After having installation, you will be able to see the icon of the project in your desktop, Sybil. You need to click on that option to log in the account, and then you need to put the password, and then you will be able to log in your account. Here, as you can see, this form contains 3 parts: phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. You need to fill all 3 phases. In totally, this form contains 36 fields. And now, as you can see on the right side of the screen, there is one option available, browse. You need to click on that option, and then you need to choose the image from the D drive and start working on the project. The first field is record number. You need to type the record number 1. Then customer ID. You need to fill these forms accordingly to the image given below. You are not supposed to make any changes in these fields. You have to fill these fields accordingly to the image given below. First phase is almost completed. Last option of the first phase is remark 1. And after filling this first phase, you need to click on that option save part 1. After saving it, you need to click on the option phase 2. Here is the phase 2, and now you need to fill these fields accordingly to the image given below, sequence wise. Second phase is also almost completed. Now after filling second phase, you need to click on that option save part 2, and after saving it, you need to click on the option phase 3, and here is the phase 3, and now you need to fill all these fields accordingly to the image given below. You are not supposed to make any changes in these fields. You have to type these fields, you have to fill these fields accordingly to the image given below. And after completing third phase, you need to click on the option save part 3, and after saving it, and if you want to edit your form, you need to click on that option show data, and then you need to click on that option load. After loading it, you can edit this form. You need to click on that option, right side option, edit. After clicking on that option, you can edit your form. You can edit any field you want. I mean, if it's related to phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, you can edit any field. And after editing it, you need to click on the option save part 1, 2, 3, and then for next image, and I mean the next for next option, for next form, you need to do the same process. You need to first click on the browse, then you need to choose the image from the D drive. So it's all about Sybil. Thank you.